Hey everybody, welcome again. As today I explained a little early in the videos, we're going to be studying all about Easter. Do you remember some of the things that we usually do or the traditions that we do that I mentioned in the video? We can see some bunnies, some chocolate eggs, but what do we do with the chocolate eggs? Do we just wait for them to come? We go on an Easter hunt. So today I have here an Easter egg, and we're going to be decorating it with different objects to create different textures. For example, I'm going to use some paintings. These paintings have this smooth sensation when you touch it. We're going to use some plastilines or Play-Doh that when we use this, it's squishy, squishy, squishy. And we're going to use these pipe cleaners. Do you remember that we used them lots and lots of them when we were at school? So I'm going to put the Play-Doh in the different circles. Do you remember the shapes? The circles here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and inside the flowers, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to use painting to decorate the other things, and I'm going to use the pipe cleaners to put them around like this. I'm going to use probably 2. If you don't have pipe cleaners, you can use wool, and if you don't have Play-Doh, you can also use color pencils or crayon. It's fine. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to open my paintings. I have color red, I have color orange, good job. I have also green, perfect, and light blue. This is like blue, but a little lighter, so we call it light blue, just in case. Okay, so first of all, I want my egg to be mostly orange. So I'm going to put orange in this part in the middle, this and this. I'm going to use today a paintbrush, but if you want to use your fingers, it is totally fine because we're going to have the same amount of fun. Remember that we try to be as careful as possible and we paint inside the lines. That's amazing. Good. Whoop, whoop, whoop. So do you remember that this week we're going to be studying the letter E, the letter of the week? And with what letter does egg start? With E, you remember. Good job. So I'm going to put orange here as well. I've got a straight line here. I've got a straight line here. One here. Here. Good. Another one here. Here. And here. If you want, you can decorate your egg the way that you want, and you can have different shapes and different colors. So for example, today I chose the circles, but if you want, you can have squares, you can have triangles, maybe some rectangles in the middle. Who knows? Ooh, there we go. Oh, that's great. Today, this week also, we're going to be doing 2 science experiments. And I'm telling you, this is going to be great because they are very easy to do at home. And the result, it's wow. We're going to see lots of bubbles and reactions in our videos. Oops, it's Miss Fran. Careful with the line. And here. Oop. Flower. What shape does a flower petal has? Is it square? Is it a triangle? Exactly. It looks like a circle, but an unfinished circle. It looks great. Whoop. It is okay if you go over the line for a little bit, because you can use the other paint in the other color on top. Once the one that it's here, in this case orange, is dry. So once we're done with this egg decoration, you can save it. You can put it on your wall, sometimes in the fridge, or you can save it and then we can put it in the school in our works wall. Do you remember that wall? It's going to be great. Done with the orange. That's good. Okay, so watch me now. With the green, I'm going to put some here, and I'm going to use my finger to paint here. So I'm going to use mommy finger, and I'm going to color or paint in this case. That is great. It's looking good. And now this part. So for example, you need to be careful with these lines, but this one, it's okay, because then when it's dried, we can cut it. It's going to look great. And this is once again color green. Good, very good. Once we're done with green, we are going to go for the flowers. I'm going to use this little here to remove the cream painting. I'm going to open my yellow Play-Doh or plastilin or clay if you have at home. It's a little hard, but I did it. And we're going to mold it. Mold it, mold it, mold it, mold it, mold it. And we're going to take little by little, we're going to make some circles, and we're going to put here in the flowers, and we press. Oops. And then we do the next one and we press. Oopsies. Stay please. Thank you. And the last one here. You see? I was thinking that maybe we can leave the petals in white so we can appreciate the color yellow. We're going to circle of light blue, and light blue. So here is our final egg. Remember that when it's dry, Miss Fran is going to take some scissors and we will fold all the edges, and this is going to look like a real egg. Okay, so as you see here's the final egg, the Easter egg. I left this space in white so you could tell between among blue, orange, and green. And I also left the flower petals in white so we could appreciate more the yellow in the center. So as you know, we can put this at home in our walls, or maybe we can save it for the school. So I hope that you have a fun time doing this, and I can't wait to see your pictures and the videos of how amazingly you're doing. So have lots of fun. I'll see you tomorrow.